Before you start your machine, you will want to walk around and look for any leaks of fuel or oils of any type. If you see any puddles in the machine, you need to investigate further or let your site manager know. To start the Caterpillar machine, you'll need to confirm if the battery position is in the on position or not, and that is in the rear of the machine. Once you've confirmed that, you go into the machine, pull down the safety lever handles, turn the key to the on position, which is the middle position. Wait for the dash lights to light up. After about 5 to 10 seconds or so, the dash will light up and ask for your code. Put your code in and press the green arrow. Now you're able to start the machine and crank it. If the machine is cold, like negative degrees and whatnot, and this is the first start of the day, you need to confirm that the glow plug cycle on the dash has cleared, which will allow the machine to start up better in cold conditions. If you do not do that, you may end up with the situation of cranking the machine and it not ever starting, thus killing the battery. So pay attention to that closely. For the dash layout, some of the machines are newer and older, but this is a basic layout from left to right. You have 2 battery switches, the auto light bucket. Those won't be used in winter, and they're more for running auxiliary equipment in high flow applications. The only thing you will use here is the right toggle, which opens and shuts the pins for the attachments like a bucket or broom. Then your climate controls. Under that is your wiper, blade, and park toggles. Then your key on-off switch. On the immediate right is your control panel. Under that is your throttle switch, which allows you to also use the foot or the knob to control the throttle, depending on your preference. Then the 4 toggles are the auxiliary lockout and front and rear lights, depending on model. The final switch there is not applicable. To operate the machine safely, you need to ensure that the safety levers are down and you've hit the red park toggle. Then you're able to steer forward or reverse with the right and left joystick. The right joystick controls the function of your buckets, up, down, left, or right, tilt, back. The left joystick controls the function of the wheels, forward, back, left, right. And that is the basic function of the Caterpillar skid steer.